Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm so excited to have you back with us today. On this podcast, we explore the art of herbal-infused skincare and slow, nourishing self-care, perfect for those of us who want to treat our skin and soul to a little extra love. Today, we're diving into an essential but often overlooked technique when it comes to skincare for mature skin: layering your products. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, layering can amplify hydration, improve absorption, and bring out your natural glow, all without complicating your routine. Layering isn't just about slathering on a bunch of different products. It's about creating a harmonious system where each product works in synergy with the others. Throughout this episode, we'll break down why layering is so important and share some practical tips on how you can easily incorporate this into your daily routine. So, let's get into it. As we age, our skin undergoes several changes that can make it more challenging to maintain that youthful, glowing look. One of the most notable changes is the reduction in natural oil production. Our skin also starts to hold on to less water, making it more susceptible to dryness. Additionally, the skin's renewal process slows down, meaning it takes longer for new, fresh skin cells to replace the old ones. All of these factors combined make effective hydration more crucial than ever. This brings us to the significance of hydration and the way we apply our skincare products. When our skin lacks moisture and the essentials it needs to heal and renew, no single product alone can solve the problem. That's why the method of layering your skincare products can be a game changer. By carefully selecting and applying your products in a specific order, each step enhances the benefits of the previous one, creating a more effective, cohesive regimen. Layering supports skin health by building a well-rounded approach to skincare. Each product has a unique role to play, whether it's providing hydration, locking in moisture, or adding essential nutrients. When applied in the right sequence, these products work in harmony, much like an orchestra where each instrument plays its part to create beautiful music. The end result? Your skin is not only hydrated and nourished, but also better able to repair and rejuvenate itself. Now, let's delve into the first essential step in this layering process: the use of hydrosols or toner sprays. The first step in layering your skincare products is using a hydrosol or toner spray. This initial step lays the foundation by providing your skin with the initial hit of hydration it needs. Think of it as the first sip of water for your skin, making it more permeable and receptive to the benefits of the products you'll be applying next. There are various types of hydrosols you can use, and each brings its own set of benefits. Rose hydrosol is fantastic for soothing and hydrating, while chamomile hydrosol is excellent for calming irritated skin. Calendula hydrosol is known for its healing properties and is particularly good if you have sensitive or inflamed skin. A great tip to maximize the benefits of your hydrosol or toner spray is to keep it in the fridge. This not only provides a refreshing, cooling effect, but also adds an extra anti-inflammatory boost to your routine. Just a few spritzes, and your skin will be prepped and ready for the next steps in your layering process. Now that your skin is prepped and hydrated from the hydrosol or toner spray, it's time to move on to the second layer in our skincare routine: the water-based serum. This step is crucial for adding a deeper level of hydration, especially for mature skin that often feels tight or dry. Water-based serums are rich in humectants, ingredients that attract and retain moisture in the skin. Common humectants include hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and honey extract, all powerful agents that draw water into the skin and keep it there. When you apply a serum containing these ingredients, you're essentially giving your skin an extra drink of water. But it's not just about hydration. Using a water-based serum also helps to improve the overall texture and vibrancy of your skin, making it look more youthful and glowing. And if you opt for herbal-infused serums with botanicals like green tea, licorice root, or rosehip extract, you're not only hydrating your skin, but also delivering potent antioxidants that fight free radicals and promote healing. To make the most of your water-based serum, apply it to slightly damp skin. This helps the ingredients to absorb more effectively. Use gentle upward strokes and let the serum fully absorb before moving on to the next step. This ensures that your skin receives the maximum benefits and is well prepared for the layers to come. So remember, a water-based serum is your go-to for deep, lightweight hydration and a boost of antioxidants. It's a small step that makes a big difference, setting the stage for the nourishing layers that follow. Now, let's talk about sealing in all that goodness with a facial oil or balm. Now it's time to seal it all in with the third step in our layering routine: facial oil, or balm. This step is crucial for maintaining moisture and adding a protective barrier to your skin. Facial oils and balms act as emollients and occlusives, which means they not only soften and moisturize the skin, but also help to lock in all the hydration and serum goodness you've applied in the previous steps. For mature skin, it's important to choose oils that are rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants. Some of the best options include rosehip oil, which is high in vitamin A and C, pomegranate oil, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and sea buckthorn oil, which is packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin. Balms, especially for nighttime layering, provide an extra layer of protection and nourishment. Ingredients like shea butter and mango butter are perfect for adding a cushion of moisture. They help your skin to stay hydrated throughout the night, ensuring you wake up with a soft, supple complexion. When applying your facial oil or balm, take a moment to gently massage it into your skin. This not only helps with absorption, but also promotes better circulation and relaxation. Remember, the right products can make all the difference in achieving deep nourishment for mature skin. With just a few carefully chosen oils or balms, you can give your skin the care it needs to stay radiant and healthy. Now, let's talk about why layering is so effective compared to simply using a single thick cream. It might seem tempting to just slap on a rich moisturizer and call it a day, but there's magic in the method of layering. Think about it like dressing for winter. You wouldn't just throw on the thickest coat you own and step outside. Instead, you layer a thermal, a sweater, perhaps a vest, and finally a coat. Each layer has a purpose. One retains heat, another wicks away moisture, another provides wind resistance. Together, they offer flexibility, comfort, and ultimate protection. The same philosophy applies to skincare. Layering your products means you're giving your skin a targeted and comprehensive approach. Each product can do its job without being overloaded. A hydrating toner prepares the skin, a serum delivers concentrated ingredients deeper into the skin, and a facial oil or balm seals everything in, locking in that hydration and nourishment. This method prevents products from just sitting on top of your skin, which can lead to clogged pores and ineffective moisture retention. Ultimately, layering allows each product to work synergistically, providing your skin with exactly what it needs at the right time. It's about creating a balanced and breathable skincare routine that adapts to your skin's needs and enhances its natural functions, rather than overwhelming it with a one-size-fits-all solution. So remember, the method of layering your skincare products is key to maximizing their benefits. It's not just about more products, it's about smarter use of what you have. Up next, we'll discuss how this routine transitions into a soothing self-care ritual, giving you those precious moments of mindfulness and connection with your skin. Now let's talk about how layering your skincare can become a soothing self-care ritual, rather than just another step in your routine. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to rush through the motions, even when it comes to taking care of our skin. But what if we took this time to slow down and truly connect with ourselves? Mindfulness and self-care go hand in hand when it comes to layering your skincare products. Each step offers an opportunity to pause, breathe, and be present. When you spritz that hydrosol or toner, take a deep breath and feel the cool mist on your face. It's a simple act, but one that can be incredibly grounding and calming. As you move on to your water-based serum, take your time to massage it gently into your skin. Use upward strokes and really focus on the sensation of your fingers moving over your face. This not only helps with absorption, but also boosts circulation, giving your skin a natural, healthy glow. Finally, sealing everything in with a facial oil or balm can be the perfect ending to your skincare ritual. Apply it slowly, with intention, and take a moment to appreciate the care you're giving to yourself. Feel the nourishing oils as they melt into your skin, providing a protective barrier that locks in all the goodness. Layering your skincare isn't just about achieving that radiant, youthful look, though that's certainly a wonderful benefit. It's also about taking those few extra minutes to practice mindfulness and self-love. In those moments, you're not just tending to your skin, you're reconnecting with yourself, honoring your body, and embracing a slower, more intentional way of living. So next time you go through your skincare routine, remember this. It's not just a routine, it's a ritual. One that allows you to pause, breathe, and find a bit of serenity in your day. And isn't that something we all could use a little more of? That's it for today's episode. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to try out layering your skincare products for that extra hydration and glow. Remember, layering isn't just about adding more products. It's about giving your skin exactly what it needs at each step. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who's ready to simplify their skincare and glow from within. Your support means the world to me, and it helps others discover this podcast. And if you're looking for step-by-step guidance and recipes for your own herbal skincare ritual and recipes that go along with this episode, check out the show notes for a link to sign up for my newsletter, and check out my newsletter this Friday. You might also like my DIY course and membership, where we go even deeper. See the show notes below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, stay radiant, stay nourished, and remember, your skin is worthy of care every single day.